Okay.
Headquarters. That was the former, the defunct headquarters of Lobby Bank that was uncompleted. So we decided to complete it, and since it was also part of the finance house, we decided to convert it to BIRS house. But because it was Aperuku project, we are going to name that house Aperuku House. The work is 90% completed, but I directed BIRS to move into it because the target was that in 2022, all operations of BIRS will be operated from there. And I'm happy that they have complied and moved. Every other thing will be done through there. Work is still going on. The little 10% that is left is ongoing. Where we went in North Bank, it is the ecological share of the federal government allocation that comes into the state. The two roads you saw there is from the allocation that drop into our account every month that we're constructing those two roads. As soon as we finish that, we'll continue with other ones, especially in North Bank, because the ecological fund is dedicated fund for ecological problems. There is one part for the local government that goes direct to the local government of the state. The 23 local governments have their share of allocation. What you're seeing there is the share of the state that is dedicated for that work. Currently, we have a challenge with the account that the contractor who is here, Prevent, have been so understanding that even without mobilization, he has gone ahead and done the extent of work you have seen on that job. We're very happy and proud of him because he's an indigenous contractor. It's not from Lebanon or Asia or China or anywhere. It's an indigenous, and by the grace of God, he has been delivering timely and quality work to all the projects that we have committed into his hands. And even without money, you can see the extent that he has gone. We're going to inspect one road that the Makurdi, who is the second-class chief here in Makurdi local government, appealed to me and the entire people to do. We have already given contract on that road, and we're also expecting that in the next 6 months, the work there will be completed. And the day I went around there, I saw the number of people staying within that community. That was the first time, but I was really attracted that they had a case. And I'm happy that that contract have been given and money have been set aside. All these projects you have seen here, monies are set aside for them.
Overwhelmed. I really don't know what to say, but His Excellency, for over years, we have not even experienced something like this. This community have been existing for years, and no administration have ever recognized us. But today, His Excellency, you have recognized us. We are happy, and on behalf of the people of Locust and Bamban community, we are solidly behind you, Thank you. You have been saying in God we trust, and today we have seen the God in God we trust. Thank you very much.
I assure you that in less than 6 months,
this road and other roads which you have inspected are going to be commissioned by the grace of God. My name is Stephen Akage. I'm the MD, Prevent Construction Nigeria Limited. Welcome.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.